Hey guys, it's Chris with Clean Streak Pressure Washing again. I'm coming to you with another project we are doing in Tarpon Springs, Florida. Today's project will be the driveway, this front entry area, as well as the sidewalk out front, and then there is a pool deck and a 3-story screen enclosure in the back. So we're going to start out mostly taking care of tannin stains for this driveway. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to pre-treat all of this concrete out front. We will allow that to dwell as we're in the back doing the work on the pool deck. As you can see, we have the surface cleaner and the tripod ready, but we do have a little bit of green right here. We will of course rinse the garage door and so forth as well. As we continue on to the back, this is where we see a very large screen enclosure. Now this one of course has all the pollen and mildew buildup that you typically see on a cage, but being that it is a 3-story structure in the back portion here, we do have multiple balconies to clean. Of course, all the railings, all of the decking. We will rinse these walls down. As you can see, they have a lot of that buildup on them as well. So we'll get that all rinsed down. On up the spiral staircase to the 3rd floor, where you can see we have a lot of pine needles. We will work on some of them. We're not going to blast everything so hard that we do any damage to the screens, because as you can see, there's already damage. We don't want to make that any worse for them. I don't know whether it'll pick it up on the camera or not, but the screens are turning white because they are old. So a delicate hand is definitely going to be beneficial. Again, here you see everything from the 3rd floor. All that pollen, bugs' nests, spider webs, all that fun stuff. We're going to get rid of that for them. All right, guys, we are finished here on this project in Tarpon Springs. As you can see, the driveway is done. We do have a post-treatment down on the tannin stains. We did do the front door, the garage door, and just a little bit of touch-up along these pillars and so forth for them as well. But everywhere along here where we had a bunch of tannin stains, they've all started to go away. So there you have it in front. We're going to go ahead and make our way to the back where the pool deck is. We got a bunch of sand and everything back here, so I'm not going to go inside and track everything all over this pool deck. But here you can see the condition of the pavers, the cage, all of the screens, and of course we got up on all 3 balconies. You having fun yet?
Oh yeah.
If you live in the Tarpon Springs area, Dunedin, Palm Harbor, all the way down to Clearwater, Largo, love to earn your business. Give me a call, 727-200-2352.